Well, hello again, all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. Today I'm going to be playing with some alcohol inks because I am trying to master that wispy technique. And if I can get this looking the way I want it, I might be adding some metallics in the middle. Okay, this is a piece of 12 by 12. It's Nara synthetic paper. I'll put a link down below. I'm only using two colors. I'm using indigo and butterscotch. I'm not sure how those are going to go together, but you know, hey. I've got 99% alcohol in two different bottles. Okay. And if I use any metallics, I've got my homemade blending solution, which is 91% alcohol with 3 drops of vegetable glycerin down in there, and I'm going to put a link to up there. I'm going to put a link to the video where I make that blending solution, and then a little bit right after that link will be the link to where I test it. Okay, I'm going to probably speed this up while I'm doing the alcohol part for a couple of reasons. One, it takes forever. Okay, so if you're going to do alcohol inks, be patient because it's not going to go that quick. I've got 2 different heat guns out. I got my Conair, okay, which is a hot roller brush. And then I got my Revlon, which has a cool setting, but it blows harder than the Conair. So we'll see which one I end up using. Okay, so I'm going to be starting. So here we go. Enjoy the music. Okay, I'm going to be honest. I got colors that are turning to brown now. At least the gold didn't take over. I think it stayed really deep in some spots. So anyway, this is just a practice piece. So I'm going to take it up for a close-up so you can see what I have done. So what I want you to do is give me any comments below. Tell me what I did wrong. Tell me what I did right, okay? If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. And don't forget to click the little bell for the notifications to be notified of when I will be uploading new videos, which right now is every day. I love the Fluid Arts Right Out of You, which today is alcohol ink and might be alcohol ink for a while. Now I lost my red cap. So I enjoyed having you here, so I hope that you have learned some stuff of what to do and what not to do. So all I can say is bye for now.